I think I've been a great hindrance to Caryl today for most of the morning. We brought in some lambs and ewes. Caryl set me the hand-eye coordination test of separating ewes and lambs, which I managed to make a great mess of very, very quickly and very easily, actually. We then inspected her Welsh black cattle.
Ie, prynais i'r 8 gen Arwyn dan Hafr y Llan.
Pris da?
Teg.
Croc pris.
Pris teg.
Fyna fi wedys ti wrtho fi?
Ie.
Oh, pris
Yeah.
teg.
Teg.
Walking around today, we've certainly seen how well she's done, you know, in a very short amount of time. Given, you know, this is a way of life that needs great investment. I think, given the months she's had here, she's done incredibly well. I'd apply for this scholarship just for the view, as I keep banging on about. But it's such a unique opportunity. As we've discovered, you know, this is a real pioneer project for the National Trust, and good for them for doing so. There's a little bit of everything in this project for an aspiring farmer. She's gone forward now to set up for shearing this afternoon, where the real bloodshed will happen. You know, having spent so much time in Australia and New Zealand and qualifying for the internationals, I'm quite confident that I'll sort of keep it. I'm hoping just between sort of minute and a half, 2 minutes this afternoon. A vast majority of my family are farmers, so it's certainly a project that's close to my heart. It's not just about specifically farming, you know, though that's at its core. It feeds a sort of greater picture, I think. And the importance of that is to preserve it for other generations. I think that's where its importance lies.